Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Excited to offer you a fresh trade-in. It's a 2023 Harris Grand Mariner 270. This boat is completely loaded with every factory option. I'm gonna go through and walk through some of the features with you on it. Starting out here in the back, we have Mercury V10 400 outboard, a white motor cowling, looks really good. They actually included the aftermarket Talon as well, comes with the remote, really handy. Back here we have our safety chains, a nice lounger here in the back, makes you legal in this rear-facing position. Tons of storage everywhere. You got a cooler built in underneath this back seat here. You also have storage that communicates through to the front here. You have a stereo head over here with some chargers, LED illuminated cup holders throughout. This manipulates backwards for your rear-facing view. Flips down fully flat into a bed, and these will kick up into different positions as you wish. Super popular layout. Coming forward here, you'll notice we have twin dual captain's chairs, awesome place to hang out, kind of splits up the conversational area. You do have a nice little console over here on the side with a speaker, some miscellaneous storage, charger, and a wireless phone charger. Moving over to the helm, this one comes with the elevated helm, really popular option. Super comfy captain's chair, swivel, slide, and recline. This one comes with your dual Go 9 Simrads. You have JL audio, stereo head there. This one also comes with the joystick feature. Super convenient on this 27-foot boat. Moving up towards the front, you'll see how spacious it is. You got tons of layout or seats to lay out for anybody you bring. Flip down armrests on either side with cup holders. Water managed storage throughout all the seats up here. Tons of storage again. This one comes with your table option. You also get your in-floor storage. Largest in the industry. All right, now that we got it up and out of the water, you'll notice this comes with a custom Harris trailer from Phoenix Trailers. Full aluminum, dual axle. This also gives you a little perspective of this color scheme on the outside. You got the white with the light blue. Looks really fresh. If you guys like this boat, come see us at the store, give us a call, or visit us on our website. Hope to see you soon.